All right, I want to show you this electric rat zapper. So it comes with this whole solid piece, on and off switch here, indicator light here. Before you use this, make sure you open this and take out this foam. The food that you're gonna put to bait the rat goes in this little pocket here. So any food you want to put or rat poison, put it in there to attract the mouse or the rat in there. This, to open it and close it, you could see here as little pockets. So you just put it in here and slide it back in place. It won't turn on unless you have the cover. So if this cover's off, it won't turn on. It comes with these two things. So this is the indicator light. So this size is only one size to fit the smaller one. And then you have the USB, the power cable, which goes into here. So it's a bigger one. So pretty easy. Two cables and the box itself. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged it in. So you could see the green light here. So it's charging, but it's off. So once we turn it on, see the light change? So green means it has power, and the little red blinking light up here that you see, it means it's in standby. And once you get a rat in there, this blinks red to show you that it's shocking. And once the rat is dead, this and this, both of them blink blue. So once you know the rat's dead, and the rat can't come out, because once it goes in, this door only goes one way, so it can't slide back out. Once the rat is dead, you go ahead and turn it off, slide this off, and dispose of the rat. You just slide it out. So all those metal plates are where it gets shocked right there. The food goes right there in this little plastic one. So that's how this works.